You have heard the news. It's already here, or maybe it's coming soon, but the recession is in our midst. We are going into a very difficult time in business. But does it have to be difficult? No. We just need to find ways to recession proof our businesses immediately. We have to start working on that now. And what you may not have thought of while you're trying to tweak your business model and wonder if you should adjust your prices and all these types of things. Am I going to survive this? Should I create a different business model? Do I need to spin up a new offer? Do I need a new business? Like, should I find a job? You're probably not there yet, right? But video is such an incredibly powerful medium that it allows people to build a rapport with you and with the problem that you solve, that you can recession proof your business. And what I'm going to show you how to do today in this brief video is how to recession proof your business with just 3 simple videos that you can make. And I'm going to teach you how to do this today. Now, this will work for you if you are a coach, consultant, online course creator, whatever it might be. This will work for you if you're an e-commerce store. This will work for you if you are an affiliate and you're spinning up an offer around something else, or you're trying to repackage something. This will work for you if you are in a service-based business. You run an agency, or you run a local business, or whatever it might be. You're trying to get clients in for done-for-you services. These 3 videos will work for you, okay? And stay to the end here with me, because I want you to make sure that you get all 3 of these. And I'm also going to give you a free copy of my book, Producing Empathy, if you stay till the end of this video, okay? All right, so let's just jump right into it here, if I can get my tech working, and I'm going to show you these 3 videos. Okay, so the first one is the Centerpiece video. What I love about the Centerpiece video, and the reason why it will recession proof your business, sorry for my chicken scratch handwriting, is that it is very powerful at both branding and conversion. So it can actually help really move people down your funnel and drive actual sales and leads for your business. But it also has this huge halo effect that happens around your business. The halo effect is extremely important, because that's where the recession proof pieces come in, because people will remember you, right? How many ads have you created that people actually remember? This is mostly an ad, but it will work great organically, and will do quite well on YouTube, even organic as well as in YouTube ads. It creates this halo effect. So people will look you up. If you sell something on Amazon, they're going to go to Amazon to find you, because it's going to stick out in their head, because it's emotionally driven, and it uses my scripting formula called the 4 R's. Okay. I talked about it when I spoke on stage at Social Media Marketing World. I've written about these things in my book, Producing Empathy. These are all concepts I use when I built the video program at New York Magazine, Men's Health, Women's Health, Prevention, Runner's World. I built 3 new channels at Now This, the biggest Facebook video news publisher. And I helped found the video program at Business Insider. When I did all of these things, I used the hero system and the 4 R's, and I'll just write it here. That's what my book is on, the hero system and the 4 R's, to be able to push all of this stuff into the Centerpiece video, so that you have the perfect video both for branding and for conversion. I also want you to make a passion video. Passion videos are where it doesn't necessarily need to be a founder video where you're talking about, here's why I founded the company, although that's kind of what we're going for. I want a video that can work just as well as an ad as it can work as a branding piece on your website. So this video is going to articulate the reason behind doing what you do. So this is all about the why. But it's going to have marketing DNA in it, because you don't just want to talk about why you did it, because it's not about you. You want to talk about what the specific problem is that you solve, and why you were so impassioned around it, and what you've built around it. right? So if you run a bigger business or you do marketing for a bigger business, this might be about the infrastructure and company culture you've created around this to be able to help people and make an impact, right? We want people to know about your impact. If you are a coach or a consultant, it might be about how you have built something that helps people so specifically with so much heart that it will solve some of the deepest problems in their lives and make them feel like they belong and loved. Okay. So that's the why type video. And since we're talking so much about the problem that you solve and the passionate way that you do, that's where the marketing piece of this comes in. We're doing that pain, agitate, solution type thing, but we're doing it couched within something that feels more branding ish. And that is why it's a recession proof type video. It makes you stand out, it makes you feel different. And the last video I want you to make is a problem solution education video. Solution education video. So I have this thing that I like to call the problem solution framework, the PS framework. I talked about this on stage at Social Media Marketing World, and I said when I was on stage there, I said this is the number one thing I want you to take away from this. I talked about video ads the whole time. We were talking about video ads, but no matter what, I need you to understand the problem solution framework. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how problem aware is your avatar, your ideal target customer, and how solution aware are they? So if you're a plumber, they're going to be really problem aware. Yeah, my faucet's broken. If you're a Shark Tank company, I've worked with a ton of Shark Tank companies doing video ads for them. Then there's a good chance that people are not super aware of the problem, and you need to do education on the problem. So what you need to do is you want to scale these on 1 to 10, right? And then that will help you decide if you want to make a problem focused education video or a solution focused education video. So if I'm a plumber, I'm going to make a solution focused education video because it's all about distinguishing myself from other plumbers. So if you're in an extremely competitive market where people are really product aware, or really problem aware and product aware, I have a problem, I know how to solve it. So a lot of agencies out there, for example, then you're going to want to focus on differentiation. So that video might have a lot of testimonials in it, for example. If you want to do education, if you need to educate about the problem, you may want to go into science if it's applicable, or you may want to go into some data and stats behind why you did what you did, and then create that along with the typical PAS framework, which is problem, agitate, solution, and pulling people down. Okay. Now, here is the secret to all of this at the end of the day. The secret to all of this is that you can do this. This is not something you need to hire an agency to do. In fact, I don't believe that you should hire an agency to make these videos. I don't think that that's a good idea. I think that you should make these yourself. So you have really you have a choice here, right? Are you going to make these 3 videos on your own using what you've learned today about that? Or I have a new opportunity where you can get on the phone with me. I can give you a video blueprint to actually help tailor this specifically to your business. And then we can talk about working together in my Ignite program, where I work with you for 90 days to help you, done with you program, to get all of your videos made. So essentially, we have 2 options here. You can go and get these done, or you can go hire an agency to do it and spend tens of thousands of dollars, or you can hop on a video blueprint call with me. I'll give you some value on this call. I'll tell you what's going on. If it doesn't work, then hey, if it's not going to work, that's totally fine. Or if you want to get my direct help with it, we can get in this coaching program. You'll have material that shows you how to do it, and you'll get the opportunity to connect with me every single week, and actually 24/7 in a group, a community group, where you can get my feedback on everything. I'll help you write the scripts. I'll tell you where to source everything. If you wanted to use actors, I'll tell you where to get those. You want to shoot it on your phone and just have it be you and do it for free, I'll tell you how to do it there. 90 days, all these videos made and more. And here's the secret: we can do it even faster than that. 90 days makes it so that we can look at the data and make sure that it's really working. So if you want to, if you're worried about your business going into this recession and you're feeling like you want to try to find a way to solve these problems before it gets big, like before you have to be reactive. If you want to be proactive, you want to get ahead of this problem, you got to hop on a video blueprint call with me. I'm going to give you so much value on this call. You're gonna see, you see it on the bottom of the screen, mattjohnstononline.com/blueprint. Go there, fill out a couple application questions, and then we'll chat and figure it out. And listen, there's a few things that can happen on this call. Number one, we can chat. You can get a lot of value from it and decide to do it on your own. Totally fine. Number two, you get a lot of value on this call, but you never intend to do anything about it. Please don't schedule if that's the case. It's important to, want to take action. Or three, you get a lot of value on this call, and then you decide to get my help with it and get all this stuff done in my Done With You coaching program, where I can help you get everything sorted out for you. Not to mention, I have my staff here at your disposal to help you with any technical questions that you might have. You can do this video. You can do it with your phone. I've done it many times. Many, 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 many times. In fact, this video right now may look very good. I'm shooting this with my phone. This video is being shot on my phone right now. I can teach you exactly how to do this, and I'll teach you how to perform on camera. I'll teach you how to become the star of your business if you want to be, or I can teach your staff how to make these videos, and we can make them even more grandiose if you want. It can be whatever you want it to be, but you don't need to hire an agency to do it. So book that video blueprint call today. Right? The spots are filling up fast for this because, and I can only take on a certain amount of students at a time in this program. As you might imagine, I can only do a certain number of blueprint calls because obviously this takes up my own personal time. I'm a busy guy. I mean, I know you're busy too. I know you're busy too. So anyway, mattjohnstononline.com/blueprint, and we'll get you in there and we'll chat and see what we can do. Okay. Have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you for your time and attention. And I'll talk to you soon.